Good morning and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa and today is Sewing Talk Tuesday. And I'm really excited to share with you some of the things that I have here today. As far as the disappearing 9-patch quilt, I didn't get anything done on it, but I will. Today I plan to sit down and sew those borders on once and for all and sandwich that quilt and get it ready. So there is that. Life has just been a little bit busy, and so it's been a little tough to do that. So I need to find some time. So this is the baby quilt that I was working on last week, and I went ahead and put it into a little container that I have with all the squares and pieces that are left to put the baby quilt together. So I just did that so that I could clean up my workspace just a tad because it was kind of chaotic. So had to do that, right? But I do want to show you what I did work on this week. And it turned out so cute. So as you know, as I was telling you, I had started making this baby quilt for a friend of ours who is expecting in November. So I have a little bit of time to put this baby quilt together, and so I'm not rushing through it. But I also know that they're going to have a little girl, and so I thought, well, I'm going to try my hand at maybe making a dress for this baby. And I'll be honest, I'm not a very good garment sewer. Just not. So, but I decided to try it, and I was searching through my, through designs in Design Space for Cricut, and I normally don't use my Cricut to do things like this, but I thought, you know, since it cut out that baby quilt, I might try and see if it'll do a baby dress. And so I was looking through it, and there was actually a free pattern for a baby dress in there. And so I used my Cricut to cut out all the pieces, and it turned out amazing, right? So the first one I'm going to show you is the fabric is adorable, but I really messed it up. So I have to take out some of the stitches and redo it, but it is salvageable, and I'm going to salvage it. So it is real cute. So here is the first little dress that I made. Okay. And I'm going to show you where I screwed up because everybody makes mistakes. All right. And so here's where I messed up is right here. You can see the rest of this little dress looks really cute. And what happened was I didn't gather enough here and here. So I need to tear this out and go and redo the gathers here. And then this little dress will be absolutely adorable. So, and this is what the back side looks like. Just so cute. And yes, this is that same fabric that we made or that we used to make the little purse, the little denim purse. So then I thought, well, I'm going to try and cut a different one. And so I did this one last night. It took me about 3 hours to put this together. It took, I think, about 10 minutes to cut it out. And then sewing it was the trick. That was the 3-hour adventure. But I'm really excited about this one. And I'm going to put, I think, some little bows on here, or else make a little bow for the hair. I'm not sure yet, but it's a cute little Minnie Mouse dress. And I think it turned out so cute. So I'm loving it. I am loving these little dresses. They're so adorable. So let me know what you think about those. I think they turned out so cute. I just love them. So that's what I worked on for this week. Nothing really quilt related. I've been kind of just needing a break from quilting, I think, a little bit, and so this was a nice break. I love to sew. It's just like my happy place, and I find it very, very relaxing, even though sometimes it can be very frustrating. I just find that I'm more relaxed when I'm just sitting behind the sewing machine and I hear the hum of the sewing machine just going. It just, something about it just relaxes me so much. So I'm going to show you what else I'm going to make. I also picked up some of this beautiful fabric at Joann's. With the bell and the roses. And I think this is so pretty. And I'm going to make another baby dress out of this. Well, I could probably make a few because there's, I think I bought 2 yards of this, and I bought 2 yards of the Minnie Mouse. And so I could make several dresses, and then I'll just have them on hand for little gifts. I'd like to use this pink polka dot fabric in it. I initially wanted to use it with this, but I'm not sure how well that'll look. I was going to do this on the top for the little bodice, and then this for the skirt, but the more I look at that, the more I'm kind of like, I probably should just stick with a solid red on top. Just because I think it looks a little bit better, and because this is so busy anyway, that'll really make it pop. So those are my projects. So I've just been having fun doing that, and then trying to think if there was anything else I did. I cleaned up the craft room a little bit. I've actually rearranged the craft room a little bit. I don't know if you've noticed. But I have rearranged. I have moved my embroidery machine over to this table over here. I bought cases for my Cricut machine and Cricut supplies, so now it's on a rolling machine, or in a rolling case, which makes it much easier for me, just to keep everything organized. I'm drinking Dunkin' Donuts today. Dunkin' Donuts medium vanilla latte, iced vanilla latte. I love their iced vanilla lattes. Those are my favorite. But this is what I wanted to show you that I had made the post about in my Facebook group of what I have. And I think that you're going to love it. So I went ahead and I finally ordered myself some business cards. And then the back has all the places where you can follow me on social media. It even has my little Etsy store on there. And then I bought you all a surprise. So I'm not doing anything with it today. I probably should be, but I had an early morning appointment with my daughter, so that's why I have Dunkin' Donuts. But now when we do Sewing Talk Tuesdays, you can drink out of your very own the Crafty Author mug. Aren't these adorable? I love them so much. I'm so excited. So one of these is mine, and 2 of them I'm going to give away. So there will be 2 lucky winners who will win a Crafty Author coffee mug. It's open internationally. I will pick 1 winner from the US and 1 winner from a different country. So I will put the link down below in the description box so that you can enter that way. It will be very easy to enter. Excuse me. And I will announce the winner on July 1st. And I also wanted to announce that my YouTube channel has finally hit 3,000 subscribers. So thank you so much, everyone. I'm so excited and happy. I love you guys, and I love showing you how to do things and sharing my love for crafting and quilting and all those those fun things. So thank you so, so much. I couldn't do it without you guys. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this giveaway link set up so that you can enter. Like I said, July 1st is when the winner will be announced. And that is really all that I have for today. I just didn't do a whole lot of crafting other than sewing the little dresses. So if you'd like to follow me on social media, all the links are below in the description box. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so that you'll get notified every time that I post a new video. And keep on crafting. And I'm going to see you guys on Thursday. Bye-bye.